If you're experiencing the Call of Duty Cloud Save Error 2026, follow these steps to resolve the issue and speed up your gameplay experience. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Call of Duty website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, the error may be due to server maintenance or outages. Step 2. Restart your game. Close the game completely and restart it. This can refresh the connection to the cloud servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Clear cache. For console players, clear the cache by turning off your console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting. For PC players, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game files and deleting temporary files. Step 4. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches to fix bugs and improve performance, which may resolve the cloud save error. Step 5. Relink your account. If the error persists, try unlinking and then relinking your gaming account to your Activision account. This can refresh your connection and may fix any account-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. If problems continue, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.